How to make a strawberry smoothie. Strawberry smoothies are delicious, healthy, and a breeze to make. They can also be a fantastic party treat or a refreshing afternoon snack. Make delicious smoothies in no time. To make a strawberry smoothie: 1. Pour orange juice into the blender. If you prefer, you can use pulp-free orange juice, or orange juice with pulp for additional thickness. Orange juice will add a little bit of tartness to your smoothie, contrasting well with the sweetness of the strawberries. 2. Add the strawberries. You can use either fresh or frozen strawberries. If using frozen strawberries, you may not need as much ice. If using fresh strawberries, make sure to wash your strawberries and remove the crown, the green leafy stem at the top, before adding your strawberries. 3. Add the yogurt. Plain yogurt will give creaminess to your smoothie and highlight the flavor of your strawberries without overpowering it. You can also add ice cream and/or strawberry juice if desired. 4. Add ice. Adding the hard ice after the strawberries will allow the blender blades to grind more effectively. If using frozen strawberries, you may prefer to reduce the amount of ice to 1/2 cup. Because the strawberries are frozen, they will already help make your smoothie cold and icy. 5. Blend for about 5 seconds, pause, then blend again. Repeat until mixed. You may need to stir your smoothie with a spoon between mixes to ensure that no strawberries or ice cubes get stuck. 6. Add milk to the blended mixture. Adding milk at the end keeps it from mixing directly with the orange juice, which may curdle it. You can use fat-free milk, 2% milk, or give your smoothie an extra creaminess by adding whole milk. 7. Blend until smooth. Serve in a chilled glass if you desire, or pour into cups to share. Top your smoothie off with a straw and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Wait for us in another interesting video.